Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you an easy way how to find the x-intercepts of a quadratic polynomial. Now, there are two different ways of doing this. The first way is, so let's say we have the values x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find two numbers that will equal to -1, which will add to -1, and two numbers which will times to -6. Okay, so in this case we're going to have -3 plus 2 is equal to -1, and -3 times 2 is equal to -6. Now that we have these values, we're going to put it in the form y is equal to x plus 3 in brackets x minus 2. The reason why I flip the signs is because when we have to do it this way, for example, if I cancel off this and I'm left with y is equal to x plus 3, as we know, to find the x-intercept, we have to make y is equal to 0. So then you have x plus 3 is equal to 0. So when you minus 3 from this side, minus 3 from this side, x will equal to -3, which we had here. Same thing goes with x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. That is the first way of doing it, which will look like 2 here and -3 here. There you go. Now the second way is the quadratic formula, or you could say quad formula, which is -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, with this formula, all you have to do is apply the quadratic values. So we have, in this case, we have x squared plus 3x plus 5. Or plus 5, sorry. So this is going to be our a value, this is going to be our b value, and this is going to be our c value. This applies to every single quadratic equation. Okay, so now all we have to do is just substitute the values in. So we have 3 and -b, so which is going to be -3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so you have b, so 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 5, all divided by 2 times 3, 2 times 1, sorry. So in this case, we cannot get any x values because there is a negative, the square root is going to have a negative number in it. So let's, for instance, say that this is a -5 times -5. There you go. Now we have -3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 1 times -5 is 20. So 20 times 9 is 29. 20 plus 9 is 29, sorry, divided by 2. Now, if we go up here, we're going to have -3 as our x values plus the square root of 29 divided by 2. And our second value is going to be -3 minus the square root of 29 divided by 2. As you can see, plus or minus. That is it.